Hi and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you some concepts of how to memorize algorithms more easily. So I'm going to focus on 3 algorithms and show you my methods for memorizing them. So the first one is going to be the Red Bull algorithm, which most people are familiar with, and this is where a single edge duo is swapped, and then this happens on even layered cubes. It could also happen on larger odd layered cubes like the 5x5, the 7x7, where the center piece is fixed but the ones on the sides, edge pieces, are swapped. So in this case, the way that I memorize, so first let me just show you what the algorithm is. So it's like this, and this. So now you might think to yourself, how do you memorize something like that? It's quite challenging, especially for someone who's new to cubing or has never solved a cube before. So the way that I do it is I've created like this mountain climber concept, and I think I once made a video about this specific algorithm before. And so the way that I do it, I have an intro set of moves, an outro set of moves, and then I have the body of the algorithm itself in the middle. So the intro is going to be the 2R, the middle slice, and the 2B, and I'm going to have to undo these 2 moves in the end. So in the meantime, the actual algorithm, it's a mountain climber trying to climb up a high mountain. So whenever he's making an attempt, we do a 2U. So he's trying, we do a 2U, and he does not succeed. So he falls down, left slice falls down. He's trying again, 2U, doesn't succeed again, right slice falls down. He's trying again. Now he's starting to make some progress. The right slice goes up. Now he's trying again, nothing happens. So now he pushes forward. The letter F is the key in forward because we're going to turn the front face to F. He pushes forward, makes more progress. The right slice goes up. He pushes forward again to F. Left slice goes up. That's the entire algorithm. Now we undo the intro moves, which is the 2B and 2R with the middle slice, and we get back to this position. So you see, if I would have done this with notations like U, RI, RIM, all kinds of stuff like that, it will be much more difficult to memorize. And so you have to think of interesting ways for yourself that makes it easier to memorize something like this. So that's the first one I want to show. The second one is a situation with a cube like this, which is a crazy 4x4. And for those who don't know, you turn it like this, the inner portion stays fixed. So what we need to do here is we have to swap these 2 edges, and the algorithm for this is also a pretty confusing looking algorithm. So if I do it like this, you'll see, do it this, again, someone who sees that for the first time, they're going to wonder, how do you memorize something like that? And so the way that I came up with memorizing this algorithm is, once again, I break it down into smaller portions. So first I do a starting move, which is a UI turn with the middle upper slice. Then I do right face up, front face up, so it's up, up, and I do a U-turn on top, and then I undo those 2 moves. So it's right down, front down. So I did up, up, down, down with the U in between them. Now I do a middle set of moves, which is a U-turn with the middle slice and the D-turn with the lower middle slice. Now I do a similar set of moves. So I do front up, right up, and then I do a UI to undo that previous U that I did. And then I do front, back down, right, back down, and then I do the DI with the middle slice. And so that's the way that I memorize this one, breaking down into smaller portions. And if you do it enough times, you'll get the hang of it. The first few times might indeed be quite challenging. So now the final situation I'm going to show you is with a cuboid like this, the 2x3x4. And what needs to happen here is this piece, and this piece all need to cycle. Now, for those who know how to solve this cube, I'm sure you probably know how to do it. But the key is, how do you memorize it? Because the algorithm to do this is something like 22 moves. And but it's actually quite simple if you look at it in a different way. So what needs to happen, first you understand how the algorithm works. In this case, this piece, the blue and white, is going to go here, this one goes here, and this one goes here, which is what I want. And the algorithm for it, when you have it set up this way, and this is on the right, and then these pieces are like the two that need to be swapped are in the back, and the one is here. So the first step is we do a 2F. Now once we did the 2F, I'm going to get back to this. We do the same kind of algorithm that we do with corner cycling. That's why I have the 3x3 here, which is the U, R, U, I, L, I, U, R, I, U, I, L. So it cycles the pieces the same exact way, except that this is the corner that's going to move, this one, and that one down there. Whereas this one right here is the stationary one. Just like we had the stationary on the 3x3, this one stays fixed. And so the algorithm is the same, except the difference is, at least the first portion of the algorithm, instead of doing the R move or in the RI, we're going to do 2R and we're going to do 2L. So from this position, once we did the 2F, we do U, R, which is actually 2R, UI, LI, which is actually 2L, U, RI, which is actually 2R, UI, L, which is actually 2L. So the reason I say R and L and RI and LI instead of 2R and 2L is to help myself associate these moves with the 3x3. Makes it easier to memorize. So that's the first portion of the algorithm. Now we do a middle set of moves, which is a 2F, 2R with a slice, and 2F. Now we undo that corner cycling algorithm that we did. So we kind of do like a backwards version of it, and we do 2L, U, 2R, UI, 2L, U, 2R, UI. Now we do 2F. Then we do the same basic middle moves that we did those three middle moves. We do it again now. 2F, 2R, and it's solved. So that's the way I break down algorithms when it comes to the longer algorithms. And I hope these three examples help you with other algorithms, other puzzles that you might be doing. And yes, so in the meantime, thank you for watching.